Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is, oh hell, I don't even know what date it is. It's the 28th of October, 2015. And I was just on Wonder Maps there, looking at that pattern right there. Check this out. And then I went back to my Google Earth. I saved this picture. And I just shared it on Google Plus, right? I shared this, and then the satellite is down. If you go current, it was down a minute ago. It's still down. No satellite at all right there. Wonder why that is. See, that's the same pattern. That right there is the same pattern we're seeing right here an hour ago. It's not the same exact pattern. I mean, this didn't drift over here or anything. This one's still here, but they're not showing it to us. See, I just go back 1 hour. There you go, and there it is, right there. So I went to my Google Earth, and this is stuff I was working on last night. I do believe I was working on last night's weather patterns in the same place. That's what it was. I'm pretty sure right here. Oh wait, that's no. I just put that up, so it should be like right here. The pattern should be somewhere. There it is, way over there. I guess I moved it, or I did something with it. But anyway, that's last night's pattern there. But anyways, I had this here for some reason, and it looks like it's like right in the right place already from to me. I'm just gonna put that picture down and see how it goes. The one I just showed you. I saved it. No, I got to do the overlay here. Let me just turn this shit on. Okay, browse, and I just saved that image as SAT2. SAT2. SA. Where is it? On the right envelope or right folder? I don't. Maybe not. SA. No, maybe not. Pictures. Well, okay. It's gonna. Looks like it's gonna fall right in place. I'm just trying to figure out what this is right here. That's kind of interesting. I don't know if I've ever seen it like that before. We look like we're pretty close right there, though. A little too wide. Let's see. About there. Down a little bit more. Yeah, that lines up pretty good. That should be right in there somewhere, that spot, I guess, for now. That's the center. Is that the center? Oh, I didn't think that was the center. But see, I had this here last night because you can see right there that where that curve is, as I showed before, the Eye of Horus. And it's in a few places in the Sahara you can see it, but right here is it's most. And then this just ended up here like I started seeing this right here. I was like, damn, that's the same thing. The upper part of the Eye of Horus, that part right there. How it's the squinty one we see, the squinty Eye of Horus, the where it's like squinty. That's the one where that's it right there. That's where the top part of the eye comes from. Is that and all kinds. The Horn of Africa comes from there too. But this is another spot where we see that pattern right there, right in there. See? Here, I'll show you another image. Oh, where to go? Africa, Africa, right here. See it right there? See the curve? See this curve right here? Okay, that's the same as that Mare Oriental one that I just showed you. Damn, I gotta bring that back up again. It goes right in there. See that right there? See that? That goes right in there just like that. And I've been through it. You can go like this. Check it out. See this crater here? Right there, that crater. Now, if I gotta go back up here and turn off this other picture first. This one, turn off. And I gotta turn off the other one. Okay, no, not that one. Yeah, it's not come back on. Right here. Okay, so when you look close into Africa with this picture here, the way I have it aligned, I mean, you get in close, and here's this crater, right? Right there. See that? It's the right size. You see this edge that comes down? Watch. Just watch. And the center is there. It's there, totally there. And then you see something round right here. It's not like a crater, but you see like a ring, the same type of edge there. You see something there. I can see it right there. You see something there. Guaranteed. I mean, there might be a jungle covering it, but you can still see something round that size there. Right in here. You can see it. And I'm telling you, this shapes this continent. If these are real pictures of both the moon and the earth, then this is what it, I mean, everything comes together in so many different ways. This will also go other places on the earth. So it had to be shaping it, a lot of it, from a hot spot on the earth. I think that's basically what was doing it, because you got to figure this. How big is this crater? I mean, this is huge. This crater is huge. Got to be, 100 miles at least, 200 miles. So you're gonna, if there's a hot spot on the earth that's creating these shapes, these continent shapes, or I know the moon does it to begin with. The moon creates the hot spot. The way I see it, the moon hits the earth, maybe shapes a few of the continents during the impact and creates that hot spot during the impact. But then that's about it. Maybe from space a little bit on the way as it's leaving the earth, separating from the earth, moving away, the magnetic. I don't know. That part's. It seems that way. It actually does seem that way. I don't know. It's hard to say. I'm just guessing on most of it, but that crater's there. You can see the rest of these features in here. You go through the whole thing. Look at the shape. It's totally there. And the weather. The weather right there. Just put the weather up there. And I'm not. I just threw it up there. I'm not saying that's right yet. But you see, I got most of the borders in place already. It's weird the way that looks, because I'm not seeing this line right here. But that could be there's other patterns that'll fit this pattern too. So that's another confusing part of it. Let's see if we can get this in here. I see something right there. Right there, I see that curve. It's almost in the right place. But you see how this corner is? It's got this corner, and this heavy part of this pattern, you see like that corner, and it goes into like the same corner. And this is like Lake Victoria is right underneath this spot right here. And you can see like this line. Look at the lines. The lines come from the center. Watch. See the line. Now these places are. The moon is full tonight. The moon is full right now, and let's just. Oh, here's a good one. I got a good one for you. Okay, so we go to the internet, and I got saved in my bookmarks. I'll share my bookmarks with you. I don't care. There's no porn in there or nothing. Okay, so we go to the site and you go to Earth from the moon. And right now the moon is centered in the moon is directly over this spot on the Earth. So it's not directly over that spot, but it is directly right here at this moment. That's current view of the moon view of the Earth. From the moon looking at the Earth. This is dead center, I guess. That's what they say. You got the sun coming up over here, though. The sun looks like it's just coming up over here. So interesting. I just want to share that page. This is a good place to check that. It's pretty interesting to have this on your in your bookmarks, I think. So, anyways, yeah, that's a good one. And I just lost. There we go. And I'm not saying that weather pattern is. But you can see I'm pretty close to being right on there. Is that a picture? That's an overlay under there, huh? Let's see. Yeah, it's that picture. Okay, so I don't know how close I am on the bottom. Check it. Oh yeah, that's you see I'm not even that far off at all. Not even. Let's see where that spot is right here. I had it on there yesterday. I was looking at it yesterday. There's something definitely. I had it lined up to this spot right here. I do believe that's where I had it aligned. Find that picture again. I had it real like aligned. You can see something right in here, or it's either right there. But I see something right there that it's like covered with the jungle. See that? There's something there. I know there is. You see something where that bright spot is up there at the top too. See that? And that's, I'm telling you, you'll see that all day long. All day long. Digging deep to this stuff, you will see it. I thought I had it better the first time. You can see this whole corner right here. Look at this whole corner. Watch. It may not be right on, but you can see it there. You can absolutely see this is the same type. This corner is there. That crater is there. I mean, there's no way that that's just a coincidence they're that close. And then this whole edge fits, and this right here just happens to fall in place. I'm telling you, people, this puts it together. Put something together. Anyway, check it out. You know, it's interesting. I mean, they're hiding the weather right now for sure. So I just want to point that out to you. Have a great night. Until next time. Uh-oh. Was that even recording? It had to be. Hit the wrong button or something.